We're now in the clouds, completely into the clouds. So we had a climb from at least 600-700 meters. See? My ears are popping. Again, in second gear, it's not good. Full throttle, I need to go lower. First is okay. My ears. I wonder if the dog has that problem. Yeah, we're completely into the clouds. You just need to go up, take a turn. Wind made the soundtrack of the video unusable, so here is a voiceover. I was telling here that we had an hour climb in first gear and the car held out great, but that we are now fully in the clouds and the visibility was near zero on the roads. Not that there was any other car here though. I'm walking here around as maybe I can find a good sleeping location for the night. I guess without the clouds, I think you have an awesome view here. The amount we climbed was crazy, so we're really high. My car is still on the road and I need my coat as it's freezing cold to be honest. Just let's find a parking spot and let the dog out. Maybe I can sleep here tonight. Why not? It's extremely silent here. Extremely silent. See, it's flat here. Okay, I'll get my coat. Because I'm now in the middle of the road. My lights are on, my blinkers are on. They all work. See, it's not raining. It's just a moist in the air. It's 3000% moist. I can even drink from the air. In a second I see a fish coming by. So wet. More crap. But this is old. I don't know what from it is. But there are animals here for sure. I just never see them. They're probably lower though. Here they get wet and cold. Out of the middle of nowhere, this stop came about. You have here a road which is pretty being used, it seems. It seems to be used quite a lot. It's nicely flatly driven. I don't know what's written on that sign. It's still a lot misty. The last 15 minutes I just didn't have to use the throttle. So how hard it was to get up, how easy it is to get down. And this is here. I don't know why. It's just here. It's on the top, so it has to be pumped up. And there's a bassin. Oh, it's filled of water. Oh, I'm gonna check it out. Let's go check it out. See, there's a nice flat area here. I could sleep here. I think you can do a nice walk here. Peligro. Deposita de Inc. I don't know what it is. Deposito de Incendios Prohibido Banares Profundo 2.5 meters. I think you need to stay away 2.5 meters from that thing. I don't know. Do people swim in this? There is a ladder. How deep would it be? How deep would it be? Not so deep. Like, yeah, this is 1.5 meters. So I think twice that's 3 meters or something. But why is it here? It's really crystal clear water though. But it needs to be pumped up, I guess. It's for sure cold. Why is that here? Why is that here? Electricity maybe? I don't know, but it has to be pumped up. You could do nice walks here, but it's a little bit cloudy and wet and cold. It's not comfy. That's what you have when you do this, when there is absolutely no chance of other people. And you get cold stuff and annoying stuff. Otherwise I would park here. The weather is gonna even be worse soon. So yeah. The bassin is on top of the hill, so it's not on top. No, it's not true, because I was descending for a very long time. Oh, you can actually drive here. I could park here. Oh yeah, this would be an awesome spot. Away from everything. Oh yeah. Oh my god, this is awesome. This is insanely awesome. This is extremely awesome. But I'm not so sure if I'm gonna do it. If I want silence, this is the spot. This is absolutely dead silent. Let's do one night. Let's see what it brings. Let's see what it brings. Yeah. And one more thing, I have water as much as I want. This is never ending. And that bassin I never get empty. I'm not gonna drink from it, although it probably is drinkable, but I'm not gonna. Okay. And now this far. Let's see how much further I can go to be out of sight of many. Some will probably see me though. Parked. Let's see how that looks from the street level. I'm not so hidden though. It's not that I want to be hidden, but I don't want people see. It's a spot where a lot of they come to screw. I see condom wraps and stuff. So okay, what do we see? So this is the street. You almost can't see me. If you're coming from here, no, that's almost invisible. You can see it though. If you're coming from the other side, then you're clearly visible. If you drive from top to bottom, probably it won't see. And here, yeah, you can see it, but you need to take attention to it. Now, this map, Sanabria La Carbaleda. La Carbaleda. Probably La Carbaleda. You need to be a little bit angry. So it's a really long map because there is already Porto, Pias, that's a lot further from Porto. And then where are we? They don't do signs from that you are here. And what is that fox? Everywhere where you come in Spain, everything is fox. Viva España. Viva. So where are we? Where are we? Do we have a spot? Where are we? No. Sanabria la Carballeda. Salabria la Carballeda. Salabria Carballeda. Esa Carba. No, it doesn't. Carna Serna, Dira. Caballeros? No. No, I can't say it. I can't find it. Sanabria Carbonera. No. I can't see it. It's annoying. Why don't they have a little dot? It's a little dot, but every church has that. Okay. Camping. There is absolutely no camping on that map. Oh yeah, here. But that's in Portugal, probably. Vigo is Portugal, I think it was. Que ver, waar bent u? Je mag het niet weten. You can't know it. We're in the clouds. You can't see anything. We still get 2.6 amps. That is like 50 watts. That's enough for charge your phone and camera gear. It's very weird. This one is sleeping. Yeah, it's between 2.5 and 0 because it doesn't measure. See, no, 3 even. It doesn't measure under 2.5 amps. It doesn't show it. So yeah, now everything is off though. So I'm gonna start the inverter, and then the 3.1 is gonna go because it's gonna level out. Charging the phone, charging the GoPro, and we're at 94%. So we're gonna do some laptop work today and bake a bread. Yeah, I gotta do that now, making a bread.